All they be one is 100. Choppers, they come with that money. That chopper all split out 100. If you ever play with my money, the money, the money, the money. Pour over coke on your homie. The money, the money, the money. All for the number.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris back at it again with another video for you guys. I'm super excited. I got this new gadget. You guys should definitely check out these. I got a couple new things in the mail, basically to myself for Christmas. So, I'm kind of building out this little gaming setup and video editing setup in my garage. And, this kind of a sneak peek, but today we're focusing on my controller charger. I got this off of Amazon and I think it's pretty dope. It's from a brand called Jigbit on Amazon. I'll put it in the description down below. It's a controller charger with two 1200 megahertz of rechargeable battery, and the pack is compatible for basically it's for Xbox, Xbox One S and the Xbox X and the Xbox One Elite. So I have the old controller here. I have like the controller that came with my Xbox. I have like the first generation Xbox One, and this is the new controller, with the share button and all that. And I got the it finally has the headphone jacks in it. This one don't even got it. And so it worked good with the original remote that I have. Like it fits perfectly on here, like no problem. But since this new controller is like a different setup in the back, I had some issues getting the battery in here. It still works with it still works. Like I can still use it and all, but it kind of looks funky because it's not really compatible. I had to like kind of break some stuff on there so fit properly. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Don't mind the ash, y'all. Don't mind the ash. So it has like two clips. It had like two clips here, and it's good on this one, but like on this one the clips are like in more, and where they have the clips designed on here, it didn't work out, so I just had to clip it off. But as far as powering the controller, I had no problem with it. And if I'm not playing with people online, then I would just obviously use this controller, because I would only really use this controller when when I'm using my headset or whatever. So other than that, it's gonna have that little gap there. I might try to use some tape or something. I don't know. I might have to tape this or something. Battle Royale. But other than that, it works fine with this one. And like I said, with this controller, no problems at all. Turns right on and it blends right in. And I can even show y'all the differences on here. So y'all see the different latches. So this is on for the black controller, the way the latch looks. And this is on the new controller. So the latches are a little different. The placement, the latches on this is placed in more, while these are on the outer rim more. And I just want to give y'all a look of what it looks like. So it basically just sits on the charger like that. And if you look on the front, it gives you these indicators. So if the battery is dead, these will actually be red. those will actually be red for you, so you know that it still needs to charge. And the battery life on these are pretty good. They give you it's about 3.5 hours charging time. With that, you probably get like 10 to 15 hours of playing time. I already pretty much told y'all about they give you like the simple indicators here to let you know it's still charging or your controller still needs to charge. And 3.5 hours to charge your controller is pretty good, you know, and it stops you from always having to run to the store and buy batteries, because that's definitely what I was doing. It has safe charging as well, so the charging dock could effectively protect the controller from like short circuiting or overcharged and overheating and stuff like that. Other than that, it just helps you. It's a good item to buy for Christmas just to get some extra time of playing, and you know, no interruptions. It's a fact. So appreciate y'all for watching this video. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and if you have any questions about this product and how I feel about, you know, when playing and use of it, just leave a comment down below, and you know, I'll get back to y'all later.